Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can generate custom Instagram chat theme using AI. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Instagram application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to go to my Instagram direct messages, and I'm going to generate custom Instagram chat theme using AI. Okay, for the chat, I'm going to select this one, this personal chat, and I'm going to generate custom Instagram chat theme for this chat. And if we want to change or customize our theme on our chat, we need to click on the account's name. Okay, and then this is my current theme, guys. I'm using the Winter Wonderland. Okay, and here you'll be able to get a lot of themes for your chat. And if you want to generate custom theme with AI, you can select this option, generate or create with AI. Okay, and then here you can describe the theme you want to generate. For example, I'm going to generate flower. Red flower, like this, and then you can send it to the AI, and the AI will automatically generate custom theme for you. And after the theme has been generated, you will be able to apply it to your chat. Okay, and this is the result, guys. If you are not satisfied with the result, you can click on this icon, and the AI will regenerate the image for you. Okay, hold on. Okay, and this is the another result. And if you want to apply it, you just need to click on next and click on create. Okay, and now the custom theme has been applied to my chat. This is how the themes looks like. And if you want to generate another theme, you just need to go back to the theme and then select the AI theme or create with AI. That's so easy, right? Okay guys, and that's all the way to generate custom Instagram chat theme using AI. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye!